and Cuba between 04 and 0500 hours UTC in the 41-meter band on 7,240 kilohertz to Iraq, Syria, Iran, and the Arabian Peninsula. You can listen to us over the Turksat 3 satellite and on the internet at www.trt.net.tr through the Voice of Turkey link. Please note that transmissions broadcast between 23 and 2400 hours UTC and between 04 and 0500 hours UTC have been pre-recorded. Our email address is englishdesk@trt.net.tr.
First, the headlines of the news.